Hold on. Guys, tatry ni Rory. Tatry ng asawa ko yung ating ginawang Dubai chocolate strawberry. Go ahead.
Okay. Well, big strawberry.
Was it the same the one that we got last time?
Mm-hmm.
That one much better.
Mm.
Oh, gusto ko matikman. Tikman ko.
Oh, dang, that's good.
Tingnan mo.
Oh, dang, that's good.
Kasi it's super sweet.
That's going to be a problem. We're going to be making that a lot.
Kasi it's super sweet.
It's just right.
And the strawberry is expensive right now because it's season.
Mm-hmm. Told you it's good. It's going to be a problem.
It's really good. Ang sarap! Masarap, masarap. I should have make more.
You're going to need to make more.
Ang sarap. Masarap siya. Mahal nga lang yung mga ingredients pero worth it. Masarap.
Maybe next time cut it into smaller pieces.
No.
Go ahead. Mm.
100 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Be careful. This stuff's a problem.
Hindi siya sobrang matamis. Hindi siya
Ooh,
matamis.
that's good.
Kasi wala namang asukal tapos yung chocolate lang yung nagpapatamis sa kanya. And then yung strawberry medyo maasim siya na matamis. Kaya perfect yung ano niya combination. Sarap. Kaya pala mahal siya kasi mahal yung mga ingredients pero masarap siya. Kailan mo ko Yan lang guys. Bye bye.